Have you been wanted to start? Have you been wanted to start AI automations like faceless channels on your YouTube, right? But you don't have some tools to use, like you only have free tools and you don't know how to start there with all those free tools that you have. Maybe you don't get it or the free tools have limited. I will walk you through the step by step guides on how to start this faceless channel without any paid tools, right? Even with your smartphone or your laptop. With this tutorial, I will start with this tutorial for those that have smartphone, okay, that wanted to start with their smartphone, and the next tutorial will be on some those that want to start with their laptop, right? So I will walk you through the process on how to generate image for free. Generate image for free, any kind of image that I want to generate for free, how to write a script with ChatGPT or any other AI. I will put you through guys how to do that in this video right now. So you need to watch these videos to the end, step by step guys, on how I do these things and put you through the steps very well. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new viewers, and drop your comment under this video if you find this helpful, right? So stay and watch this video to the end. Alright guys, first thing you need to do is to come to your ChatGPT, right? So if you are a beginner that you don't have the type of niche that I want to go through with this faceless YouTube channel, or you already have niche that I want to go through but you are stuck in generating image, doing the video, editing everything with your smartphone if you don't have laptop, right? Or if you have laptop too, this video is for you too. Okay, so I will put you through the steps. For a beginner, you need to do these things first. Right now, you just come to your ChatGPT, right, and input. This ChatGPT is free. I'm sure you're using a free version of this ChatGPT right now. So what you need to do is to come to the ChatGPT and give the ChatGPT good prompt about what you want to do. Okay, about the channel that you want to create. So what I need to do is that I'll just come to ChatGPT, like I want to build a faceless channel or a storytelling. Okay, so what I need to do right now is that I come to the ChatGPT and give the ChatGPT point, like I I want to create YouTube channel, YouTube channel on storytelling niche. So you can just tell ChatGPT to give you niche, give me niche storytelling, right? So let's wait for the prompt and see what ChatGPT will give us in this video. So just wait. As a beginner, you need to take these things step by steps, and I watch you through how to create the videos and generate script for the video that you wanted to create. You need to know how to get. I will give ChatGPT a prompt, okay, so that you get the right answer that you want. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us in this video right here. So I'm waiting for a prompt from ChatGPT. So right now you see the prompt that ChatGPT give us, and if you read this, you see here's on storytelling it, so that if you are hearing about someone telling you that come and start storytelling it, you need to find out that this storytelling that you are telling, that you are saying I should start, what am I going to do with this storytelling? Okay, so what you need to do is to come to ChatGPT and gain some experience before you drive into these things. So you see that the number one is to talk about horror and cripple stories. Okay, if you come under the horror and cripples, you will see that some sub niches under it, which is true crime stories and paranormal encounters and urban legend and ghost stories, which you can create with this AI. Alright, so the number two is historical and mythological stories. If you see that this one to have solves niches right here, we come down, you see the motivational and success stories, and this one to have sub niches. So what you need to do is to think that, okay, which one can I do? okay, that can I do that it be easy for me to start. If you want to go with motivational, you need to come and choose some sub niche that you can base on it and create videos around it every day, you know. So you see there's some true life inspiration stories, then the children's stories, then another my stories and crime stories and all. So let me just come here. I think let's go with the motivational and success story. You can choose anyone that I like, and with this training it will give you everything you need to generate videos. It's not means that you create the same that I'm creating this video. I'm just using this as a tutorial for you guys. Right. So what you need to do is to come here, and I choose the motivational and success story. Right. So what I want to do now is that I want to choose the sub niches here. You see that there's someone is Ratch to Riches stories and a story of famous entrepreneurship. But first of all, saying that will I be getting content idea about what I want to choose, and then there's overcoming adversity. Okay, so now I want to choose the Ratch to Niches story. What I will do now is that I will tell ChatGPT that I have choose this one, and it should give me the script about these videos that I wanted to create this channel right here. So let me just tell you ChatGPT that I chose Rag to Riches stories, Riches stories. Right now you see that ChatGPT understand that okay, you choose the right written stories, and he said these are the content area that you can go through about. I say this is real life rag written stories, and then you see there's some content area you can go through. There's undergo success stories, okay, some inspirations and any other things. There's a business and setup story, there's sport rag written stories and every other things, and then it gives you some video format, right? You say animated story telling, and then faceless AI generated video. Okay, so I want to go with faceless generated AI. Okay, so let me just give ChatGPT the prompt of what I want to go with. I need to tell ChatGPT I'm going with faceless AI generated video. Faceless AI generated video. You need to do these things step by step so that you get what you want. Okay, so ChatGPT will give you the script on how to do it. It give you like copy AI or Jasper AI alternative to write the script for you, but you can use ChatGPT, okay, to generate engaging script for storytelling. So let's just dive into how to generate this, and it give you where to get the voiceover, so you don't need to worry about everything. So here is the video creation tools that you can use if you want to use AI, but all these tools will require you to pay money before you can start editing and all those things. And then background music, I will show you the way to get the background so that you don't get copyright. And then content strategy, everything is here. Everything is here. So what I will put you through now is that we are not using all these pro tools or premium tools. We are going to use free tools completely in this video. So we are going to work on 3 apps, which the one is ChatGPT now to create our script and every other things. Okay, to get the optimization SEO for our video, we usually use ChatGPT. So let's work on the ChatGPT first before we dive into the next app right here. What you need to do is that you say tell ChatGPT to give you script. You want to create first video for your channel, to give you script for it. So I want you try to communicate with ChatGPT like you are talking to your friends. My first video, then this, give me script that can last just say 30 minutes. 30 minutes, and I convert it to video. See, it gives me, say, for 30 minutes Faceless AI generated video to the rags and riches niches. So we need detailed script, so around 4,000 to 5,000 words. So give me the 30-minute script covering the rags and riches. So rags and riches, then see it first of all give me the title from broke to billionaire, the incredible story of Elon Musk. Imagine if people see this title, they want to know the incredible stories of Faceless. They want to hear about it and give you some intro on how to do it, to give you the background music and give you the narrators of this video. So what I need to do now is that I've got the script right here and give me in chapter. Okay, I've got the script right here. So what the next thing for me to do is that now that I have the script, I need to make it, like, change it to the voiceover. Okay, to add the voiceovers to it. Right, so what I need to do next here is that I will come here and tell ChatGPT before we move on, so that we get all the script at once before we move on. I'll tell ChatGPT that give me a prompt for the image, AI image to generate. Give me prompt for image, say image prompt for this script. Then you will enter. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. They say here is the detailed AI image prompt, and see the first. You give me the prompt for the first one, give me the prompt for the second one, give me the prompt for the third one, and give me for the fourth, fifth, sixth, about the chapter, about the all the topic. Give me the prompt to generate image. So this is where some people are stuck about creating AI videos. Okay, when they want to generate image, they generate it, it's not in size of a YouTube. So in order for you to resize it to be in the YouTube long form videos, okay, you need to have a paid tools, maybe like Canva Pro, before you can edit it to form the structure of the YouTube. So what I need to do now is that I will put you the step on how to generate this without even using the Pro Tools version. So the first thing that I will show you now is we need to go and generate image and generate the voice overs too. So what I will do now is that let's first of all go and generate the image right here. So what I will do now is I will copy this script one by one and generate this image. So the website that I'll be showing you now is what we call Google Image Effect, which everything is free here. So I'll come here and first copy the first prompt. Let me copy the first prompt.